Yeah, I guess.
storage.
So exactly, yeah. Locals were vegetarians. Only fruits and vegetables were available over here, and because in summer it gets very hot and humid in Baku, not like Dubai, of course, but humidity goes up to 80, 85 degrees sometimes, and the temperature like the same. Yeah, Indians like my right, I say like.
Здесь два.
Because they grow everywhere. So yes, this is the big. Everybody here? And even in winter, with the open door and ventilations, no, this one doesn't have ventilation. It's very hot inside. I think because of the ventilation, because we don't have ventilation over here. So guys, this room is dedicated to Zoroastrianism. And as I told you, this is the first monotheistic religion in the world that appeared in the 7th century BC. And here, now let me say first that these guys are fire worshippers. They believe in their only God. His name is Ahura Mazda, and they believe when they worship. We had a naturally burning fire, which was sacred already. But in functioning fire temples, even today, Zoroastrians support sacred fire 24/7 using wooden bricks, and they use Ateshgah for these purposes. This one, the old one, was built here in the late Middle Ages, right after natural fire stopped. Like a general name, Eastern.
No, Eastern.
She says
yeah.
Pascha. I know Pascha.
Yes. So it's okay to do it from Persia.
This I cannot say.
Because I heard that they used to worship Ishtar. They call it Ishtar. Just like the God of
But there's no one only thing which is coming from Zoroastrian. Novus, but which finished this? Yes, Novus means Nov means new, and Ruz means year, New Year from Farsi. Yeah, so this is 21st, from February 21st to 23rd March. We celebrated all around the I just didn't see here this day.
जनाब यहाँ पे हमारा टूरिस्ट ख़त्म होता है काई टेम्पल का, और मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट प्लेस के साथ। कल वापसी भी है, तो हमें याद रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।